Hey there, it's Shay back again, and in this video I'm going to do something that I really enjoy doing for my students, and that is showing them a make money online campaign that's making a consistent daily income and has even made up to $700 in a day. And this is something that you can do as well if you have somebody to show you what to do and truly give you their time to step you through everything that has to be done to make this kind of money online. So I'm just going to try keep this video short so I can show you exactly what this thing has been able to do. So I'm just right here in one of the networks that I use. I use more than 5 or 6 now, all that earn slightly different amounts of money every day. A few of them earn about the same as this one right here, some a little bit less, but when I add them all up, it makes an incredibly nice daily income. And I'm sure since you clicked on this video, you are trying to do the same for yourself. You're trying to look for ways to make money online, but not just some quick thing. Okay, you want stability, something that is going to truly produce a daily, a monthly, a yearly income that can fully support you, your family, and even walk away from your current job. This is something that many of my students have already been able to do, and I can help you do the same if you are truly serious. So keep watching this video to the very end. I'm going to give you an awesome opportunity then. But just for now, check out how this campaign has been running. I want to show you the report right here of what it's been able to do. I've just got it defaulted to the past 4 days. We're in October right now, and today is the 19th. Alright, and we're also only about halfway through the day today. So we are around lunchtime, and the numbers are looking quite good, I have to say. So I've sent 132 visitors, as you can see, 68 clicks, and of those 68 clicks, they each have been paying me $7.52 each. And yes, I'm talking about clicks, and I just realized that that is probably in itself something that you perhaps have never heard of, and that is getting paid with clicks. This is just one of the awesome methods that I use myself and teach to my students. So as you can see, so far today, again, $514 has been made, but I'm really expecting this to jump up some more since we've only just hit halfway through today. And just while it defaulted to these days when I opened this up, and before I show more of the month so far, just check out the past few days here, the past 4 days. So just over $2,000 so far has been made over the past 4 days. And this is a campaign that I've just recently started to push a lot more traffic to really see what it can do. But right now I'll just take this back to the first of this month of October. We'll just submit that campaign and run the reports. Alright, so just check out some more of the numbers here, and I'll just fit that in so we can see all 19. So just run through some of the numbers so far this month. $7,000 over. More to come today, definitely, and obviously more to come for the month yet. 19 days through. So 250, 400, 460, 601, 300, 3, another 300, 658, 463, 389, 353, 420, $586.49, $708, 200, then of course today again 514 so far. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I'm giving new students the chance to see exactly how I set up and run campaigns just like this. This is what I already show my current students, but if you are truly serious and you want to know how in the world I'm doing this, getting paid for generating clicks and making a true online consistent income, then I am willing to show you what I do. But only again if you are truly serious and only if you take action right now. Show me that you are serious by taking action, and all you have to do to get started is click the link in the description right now of this video. So find the description right at the top. I'm going to have a quick bit.ly link, so you can just click that and get over to my site. And at the same time, I'm going to do that as well. So before you get there, I'll just show you exactly what to do. Okay, so I'm here on my site. Then all you have to do is enter in your best email address right here. Okay, so go ahead and do that, enter in your email address, then click the Get Instant Access button. There's just one final thing, and that is to go look for my welcome email. And you'll find that by going and checking your inbox. Okay, so the email address that you just entered in on my site, go check that email. Do it really shortly. I'll remind you again as soon as you've clicked the Get Instant Access button. But just be sure to go open up that email and check out what I've got inside, because that is going to get you started today. So complete those few steps, click the link in the description, enter your email, click the access button, go check your email address shortly after, find my email, and I'll work with you further over there in just a minute.